Hi friends, I'm Curious Cub, and today we're exploring something super colorful. Why do leaves change color in the fall? Let's find out. In spring and summer, most leaves are green. That's because they have something called chlorophyll. It helps the leaves make food from sunlight. Think of it like the leaf's green superhero. But when fall comes, the days get shorter and the weather gets cooler. The trees don't get as much sunlight. So guess what? The chlorophyll starts to break down and go away. With the green gone, we see the other colors that were hiding inside the leaves all along. Yellows, oranges, reds, even purples. Wow, nature is full of surprises. Trees lose their leaves to rest and save energy in winter. No sun, no food, so they take a little nap. Some of the most beautiful fall leaves can be seen in Canada, Japan, and the United States. Have you seen leaves changing color where you live? Now you know why leaves change their colors. Pretty cool, right? If you liked this, hit that subscribe button and join the Curious Cub Science Club. See you next time.